Man United in talks to make Ruben Amorim new manager to replace Erik Ten Hag. Manchester United are in talks to try and appoint Ruben Amorim, with the Sporting CP head coach now understood to be considering the opportunity. The Old Trafford hierarchy have put the 39-year-old top of their list, having not considered him during the summer. They are also willing to negotiate with the Portuguese club about a release fee. United are seeking to impress on Amorim the opportunity that the job presents, in what would almost serve as a clean slate. With interest having grown since the start of the season, Amorim is known to have been reluctant to leave Sporting mid-season. The Portuguese has restored the club to glory, and already has them clear at the top of the table in what would be a third title, after 2020 21st and 2023 24th. The Portuguese coach was thought to not want to switch mid-season but may now be persuaded. Reports on Monday evening suggested Manchester United were moving quickly to replace Ten Hag and were willing to pay the £10.3 million release clause to secure 39-year-old Amorim, as Ruben Amorim has agreed to become the next Manchester United manager, with the Red Devils and Sporting Lisbon now in negotiations over a compensation package. At this point it seems that Ruben Amorim is set to replace Erik Ten Hag as Manchester United permanent manager. Ruben Amorim has won 2 Portuguese titles and 2 League Cups with Sporting since joining the club in March 2020 and currently sitting at the top of Portuguese table. Is he a perfect fit for Manchester United?